Hey, what's up guys? It's a sunny day in Manila. We are headed to Sunday Market? Yeah. Sunday Market. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. Alright, let's go to our destination. Yeah. Oh, the market?
Most of people just hang out here to eat.
Yeah.
And then they buy it there.
Alright, let's go check it out.
Foreigners here. This area, a lot of foreigners live.
Okay, yeah, there's a white guy over there.
Hmm?
The white guy.
A lot of foreigners go here too. So they usually live around here.
Yeah.
Batik, ma'am.
Filipino empanadas.
Yeah, everything. They have foreign food here.
Huh?
Yeah, Thai food.
Oh yeah.
For better. Oh, they have free book stuff. You can just leave a book there.
Nice.
For better. You choose if you're hungry, right?
Yeah.
There used to be like a Japanese couple, older couple, who sold like Japanese like clothes for kids and adults here. But during the pandemic, this closed down, so I don't know. I don't see them anymore. They were so sweet. Even though I didn't need anything, I would just buy there because they were all like, hey. I feel bad. I feel bad. I'm gonna buy another one.
There's a lot of people selling honey.
I'm sorry. Oh, there's fish too. And sometimes they have frogs here too.
Frogs? Nice. Yeah, I want to eat that pizza. I want to eat the pizza.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Where do you want to look around first?
Yeah, let's just look around.
Okay. Can you buy something to drink?
Yeah.
How about you?
Can I get a melon juice too?
Melon juice. Tablets.
Huh?
Tablets?
Yeah.
Good, right? In Thailand they have tablets.
Yeah.
I love that so much.
You want to eat that?
Put your hands first.
Korean food.
I only come here for one thing, the Thai food. I love their pad Thai.
The queso is cheese, right? Same as Spanish.
We are Spanish. I want to take a 23andMe.
Yeah, you should do that. I think for you it'll be very interesting.
Why?
I think for me it's just gonna say Korean.
No, somewhere around there, something. Maybe Chinese, and then your grandma will be like, oh. Or maybe
I'm gonna say Japanese. My grandma get all mad. I knew you were Japanese.
That's why you hate yourself. Right.
Yeah. Came all the way here. Got some Mediterranean food. I don't think I really featured Filipino food here. Try it out. The falafel wrap. Really good. Yeah, some Thai food. It's really good. Falafel. Yeah, the pizza flavors were weird over there.
Really? Like what?
You didn't see it?
I didn't.
Oh. It's like a lot of vegetarian. Like, it was like Mediterranean food.
I'm in a minute with them.
Gotta find a smoking area. So this is the Little Tokyo Mall, or what? Just the Little Tokyo Mall? Is this the Little Tokyo Mall?
No, this is green belt.
Huh?
It's still green belt.
Green belt?
There's a high-end shopping area.
Oh, green
That was
belt.
my first date here. Hey, where's the trash can? Oh, there.
Green belt.
I had my first date here with my first love.
When was that? How old were you at that time?
18.
Oh.
He was 32.
Oh shit.
Hey, he was part of that cult thing.
Huh?
He was part of the cult thingy.
Oh.
But he was like my senior. I was doing part-time job at a writing newspaper stuff. I don't know. And then people think, oh, he's like 32. Maybe he did something with him. We didn't do anything. That was the most wholesome relationship I ever had.
Cults.
He wouldn't even have texted me. This is like your green belt, but it's like connected to two other big malls.
Oh.
So everybody could just like go from this mall to the other mall to the other mall.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually 4 malls in total.
Yeah.
This is the fanciest. And that's a budget mall, so really lucky to cheap. There's a middle mall.
My friend used to work at Aldo's, like selling shoes.
It's nice.
Huh?
It's nice. I like all of it.
Yeah.
It's not luxury, right?
No, it's like in the middle, kind of. Yeah.
When they came out with like Barbie stuff,
Huh? Barbie? Oh.
I was like, oh, it's so cute, but where would I wear it? Right?
What?
It's so cute, but where would you wear something so pink, so bright?
I don't know.
Are you into perfumes or not?
No, not really.
Not so good. You ride that?
Huh?
Can you go inside? I feel like this is Cinderella.
Fast Cinderella?
Yeah, like fairy godmother's routine. But the dress seems similar.
No, this is just plastic toys. Sometimes I don't understand art. There's some cupcakes.
This is spout, right? Fountain.
Hello, and then you find the cabinet. Or
Bunch of interesting chocolates here. Oh, it's Japanese, I guess. It's a little Tokyo. Kanto.
Most people that live here are Japanese. That's really good unagi restaurant.